Welcome to the Explainer. We're going to learn 10 new English words in minutes.
Yes, you can. So let's dive right into this challenge right now.
So, here we go. We're starting with a few words all about feelings.
First up, afraid. You know, it's that simple feeling of being scared.
Right, just like this. You might feel afraid after seeing something really scary. Okay, now for angry. You know, when you're so upset you might want to yell.
And yeah, forgetting your homework, that's a classic reason for someone to get angry.
Our last word on feelings is cruel. This describes someone who is just plain mean.
So yeah, being cruel is all about hurting other people on purpose.
Okay, on to action words. First, agree. It means you think the same way. You'd use this when you think the exact same thing as a friend.
Next up for actions is arrive. It just means getting to where you're going.
You know, like a bus getting to a specific spot at a specific time.
Okay, and now for attack. This one's pretty simple. It's trying to fight or hurt. Wow, yeah, this shows exactly how a physical fight might get started.
And our last action word is hide. Think about the game hide and seek.
Yep, the whole point is to stay somewhere so that nobody can see you.
Okay, new category, descriptive words. First up is bottom, meaning the lowest part.
It's all about a physical spot, right? Like the very lowest part of your shoe.
Next up, clever. This is a fantastic word to describe someone who's super smart.
So basically, being clever means you're really good at coming up with ideas.
And, well, finally, our last word is finally. It's for when something happens after a long wait.
This is perfect. It's that feeling of reaching the end after a huge effort.
Awesome job, you've learned all 10. Now, think you can match them with their meanings?
You did it! So, the real question is, which of these new words will you use today?